Hi, this is Oscar from UX Consultancy, and in this demo we'll be looking at our RSS digest automation, which automatically gathers recent updates from an RSS feed, summarizes them using AI, and posts a clean digest straight to Slack. This automation is useful for marketing, communications, and leadership teams who want to stay up to date with the latest news, articles, or announcements without manually checking multiple sources or compiling summaries. This demo will be run manually, but if a schedule was added, then you can create the perfect automated digest for you or your team. The automation begins with an RSS feed module, which is set to detect and process the 3 most recent posts from the BBC's website. This is done by adding the RSS feed of the page we want to monitor into the RSS module. From there, the posts are sent one at a time to an OpenAI module, which restructures and summarizes the content into a short, digestible format. Then the summarized content is sent to a Slack module, which sends you a neatly formatted digest. The message will include the date, title, link, and an image to each article. If I run the automation now, we'll see the RSS module scan for the most recent articles, send them one by one to the AI module, which will then send 3 individual messages to me on Slack. As you can see, the result in my Slack shows 3 posts neatly displayed for me to look through. No manual curation, formatting, or sending required. That's a quick look at our RSS digest automation and how it can help you save time, reduce manual work, and keep your team effortlessly informed. If you'd like to learn more or get in touch, just check out the details on screen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next demo.